Ever wondered if growing exotic fruits in your backyard is possible? Imagine having a myriad of fresh, delicious fruits right at your fingertips, adding a burst of color and life to your space, all while indulging in the therapeutic joy of gardening. Well, guess what? It's completely doable and easier than you think. First things first, you need to choose the right fruit to grow. This all hinges on your location's climate, the space you have to spare, and of course, your personal preference. Some fruits, like kiwi, thrive in a more temperate climate, whereas passion fruit loves the heat. Guava, on the other hand, is quite versatile and can adapt to various conditions. There's a world of exotic fruits out there, waiting to be explored. Remember, the right choice of fruit is half the success. Next, let's talk about the container. The crux of successful container gardening lies in its drainage. A well-drained container prevents root rot, promoting healthy growth. Size and material matters too, varying with the fruit type. A well-prepped container is key to healthy growth. Now that we have our fruit in container, it's time to plant. Start by adding a layer of compost to the container, then gently nestle your young fruit plant into the soil. Water it generously, but avoid waterlogging. Position your container where it will receive ample sunlight. Most exotic fruits love the sun. Regularly feed your plant with a balanced fruit plant fertilizer to ensure it gets all the nutrients it needs. With consistent care, you'll soon see your exotic fruit thriving. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, the harvest. Your exotic fruit's color, feel, and gentle give under pressure are telltale signs it's ripe and ready. Congratulations on your successful gardening project. Enjoy the fruits of your labor quite literally. So there you have it, a simple guide to growing exotic fruits in containers. We've shown how easy and rewarding this project can be, from selecting the right fruit to enjoying the harvest. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!